Hello all, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to talk about some Notepad++ tweaks. Through that we can improve our productivity and save a lot of time. So let's start. The first one is like if there are a lot of files are open here in Notepad++. So selecting or finding a file is very difficult task, right? So we have to go like if file name is very large, so it doesn't shows the complete name. Here it is small, so that's why it's showing. So first one you should use this go to settings and then preferences, and you will get this, and you can select the document file and list show. So it will show all the lists here, all the list of files which are opened here. So you can directly select any file and you can navigate very easily. So this one is very basic, but I found it very useful, so just wanted to share. So now coming to second one. So consider we have these many of rows. It's a numeric data and we have to get only the distinct values. Like if you can see here, many rows are there, but some in unwanted spaces are there, and we want to get the distinct numbers, how many distinct values are there. So it looks very tough task for a notepad, but it's very easy here. So let's start. I will show you how we can do that. First we can go to this edit and then blank operations. Here select trim leading and trailing spaces. So what it does, it removes all unwanted spaces from our file, because we don't know where 2 spaces or 3 spaces. So if there are many spaces, these many spaces are there. If we are doing just blank, if you want to, here many options there like trim trailing spaces, leading spaces, but we want to remove all leading and trailing spaces. So just trim, so it will remove all the unwanted spaces. So now we have to get the distinct values from all these. So there is another feature here. Here go to line operations, and there is short lines of features are there, like short lines as integer, decimals like scope. So these are integer values, so we can select short lines as ascending. You can select any ascending or descending. So you first select short line as ascending. You can see all the data is sorted in ascending order, right? Now we have to remove the duplicates. So there is another feature now here, line operations, to remove consecutive duplicate lines. So that's why, because it removes consecutive duplicate lines, that's why we sorted. So either you can sort in ascending or descending, any order, and just remove duplicate lines. See, we get all the distinct values in just 2 steps, right? So it saved a lot of time. Like there were, here we had 20 or 30 rows, but in case there are 100 or 1000 rows and we have to get distinct values, then we can directly get it. Yeah, so thank you so much. Hope you like this tweak on the feature. So just let me know, like did you already knew this? So and if there is any question, just ask in comment section. I will be very happy to help. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.